and welcome back to Her Daily Wisdom Kitchen. My name is Rosie. Thank you so much for inviting us into your space. Today we are making hummus. Please subscribe if you haven't. Enjoy the journey. You need half a cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 can of chickpeas, some salt to taste, and an optional ingredient, chili pepper. Wash your chickpeas before you do anything with them. Wash, cut, and squeeze the juice out of your lemon. Put all the ingredients together into the blender.
I'm wearing Dolce and Gabbana, all I wanna do is flex, flex. I'm getting famous like Rihanna, all I wanna
Very little salt to taste, a pinch is good.
I'm wearing Fendi, money spending, all I wanna do is flex, flex. I'm not pretending, only trending, all I wanna do is flex, just flex, flex, flex,
If you have a blender like ours, a Ninja, extraction first. Then use the smoother function to finish up.
De lo que hicimos. Y si me acompañas, bailamos la salsa que tú quieras hasta la mañana. Nos damos un break de las cosas que son más importantes. Para enfocarnos, pasarla bien sola.
This is optional. You can sprinkle some smoked paprika on your hummus.
Bailamos la salsa que tú quieras hasta la mañana. Nos damos un break de las
And that's how you make hummus. Enjoy and please subscribe. Thank you.
Es que tú tienes ese flow con clase que hace que hasta se me olvide las frases. Pa' ti estoy disponible si es hora de comer. Baby, estoy a tu alcance, solo tira un DM. Yo estoy ready, no me agarras fuera de base. Yo estoy pa' ti, más pase lo que pase. Te monto en una...